Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to get Udemy's premium courses for free. But before we start this video, if you have come to our channel first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more awesome videos like this. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Step number 1. Open your browser and search for Coursevania.com. This is a website where you can get Udemy's paid courses for free. All these courses are paid courses that are available for free for the next 48 hours. You can also search for any topic and subtopics from here. This is the best website to get Udemy's premium courses for free. You can also join their Telegram group where you will be updated about the latest Udemy's premium courses. And you can enroll them for free. To enroll these courses, you have to click on this link. Then you will be redirected to this page. Then click on Get on Udemy option. Then you will be redirected to Udemy. Here you can easily enroll for this course for free. That's all about how to get Udemy's premium courses for free.